After their big meeting, the 5 friends were buzzing with excitement in the library. Sharing our stories was so much fun, said Ima. We should do something for the whole school, Liam added. Yeah, like a big party with music and food from all our countries. Kwamé jumped up. We can call it the Friendship Festival. I can bring my talking drum. Sanjay's eyes lit up. And I can bring delicious sweets, just like for Diwali. I can teach everyone how to make paper lanterns, Maoli suggested with a shy smile. The friends all thought it was a wonderful idea, a festival with drums, sweets, and lanterns. But then, a problem. Where will we have our festival? Asked Liam. The library is too quiet for a drum. Ima tapped her chin, and we need space to hang the lanterns. I know, said Kwamé, pointing out the window. The playground. It's big enough for everything, everyone agreed. The playground was perfect. They decided to work together to get everything ready. The friends got to work. Maoli showed Sanjé how to fold the colorful paper for the lanterns. First this way, then that way, she explained patiently. Sanjé concentrated hard, his tongue sticking out a little. Meanwhile, Liam and Ima made a big sign that said, Friendship Festival. Ima drew a picture of the Statue of Liberty, and Liam drew a kangaroo hopping next to it. They used all the colors of the rainbow. Kwamé practiced his drumming outside on the playground. Boom bada boom. The rhythm was so catchy that soon, other children from Kiddos Campus came out to dance along with him. Finally, the day of the festival arrived. The playground was decorated with bright lanterns. The air smelled of Sanjay's sweet treats. Kwame's drumming filled the air with joy, and the big Friendship Festival sign welcomed everyone. The 5 friends stood together, looking proud. All the children at Kiddos Campus learned, played, and tasted new things. They discovered that even though they came from different places, friendship was a language everyone could speak. As the sun set, the 5 friends shared a final treat. Their hearts full. They had brought the whole world to their playground.